I'm delighted and ecstatic to bring you this tutorial that will show you how to smile. The history of this video came about back in 1965 when I was thinking to myself, boy, wouldn't it be great to smile? 50 or 60 years later, I figured out how to smile myself and have decided to share this knowledge with you all. What on earth does smiling entail? Smiling involves bending the outer layer of your face upwards, like that. If you bend it the other way, then it could make you very upset, so please refrain from doing that. Why would you want to smile? Is a valid question that you may ask. Sometimes you just don't have a choice. The smile is thrust upon you. For example, you could end up smiling if you found a long-lost pizza slice down the back of your sofa. The joy of being reunited with that pizza slice could end up filling you with happiness, and you may smile as a result. The other way you could end up smiling is if someone told you a joke. Now, I'm extremely grateful to have a guest comedian come on this channel and tell some jokes for you all. So would you all please welcome the comedian. Hello and welcome. Please tell some jokes for everyone and make them all smile and laugh. Huh? I'm not a comedian. You said I was just here to discuss my thesis on thermodynamics. There was a small change of plan. You just need to make everyone quickly smile and laugh instead, if you wouldn't mind. Some comedian that was. Don't worry everybody, I do have one final method that I can teach you and you should be smiling after that. So what you'll want to do is to grab your fingers like this and then just start scrunching up your face until a smile forms. So it should look something like this. I can't see out of my eyes at the moment, but I'm pretty sure this is a smile. And this is really what you should be aiming for yourself. So just practice yourself and you should get to a level where you'll be like this and you'll be smiling and it'll be good and stuff. And that completes the tutorial on how to smile. Hopefully now you should be smiling like there is no tomorrow. Now I need to learn from my own techniques to improve my smiling capabilities, so I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. Okay, now I just need to remember everything that I taught you guys. Should be something like this. I think I'm smiling. It feels like a smile, so I think I'm getting there. It's not as easy as you think. I don't know who I'm talking to, everyone should have gone by now, so just talk to myself, why not? There's nothing wrong with that. This isn't weird at all, so nothing to worry about. Yeah, I'm happy with this smile. Yeah, I think I'll call it a day now. Very nice.